Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing how to send USDT from Binance to your Phantom wallet. Now this process approximately includes 8 steps, which I will be explaining in detail. Now, the first step would be to open up your Binance account. This can be done either through the Binance app or the website. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on Wallet. This can be found on the bottom right hand corner within the portfolio icon. Now, once you've clicked on Wallet, go ahead and click Spot Wallet. Find USDT in your list of assets and click on it. The next step is to click on Withdraw and search for USDT. Here you're going to want to paste your Phantom wallet address into the recipient's USDT address field. Now, double check the address you've pasted and make sure there are no mistakes because this is very important. The next step is to go ahead and choose your specific network. In this case, it would be the Solana network. Go ahead and specify the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. And last but not least, double check and make sure all the details you've put in are accurate. Then the last step would be to go ahead and confirm the transaction. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.